Welcome to Dark Horse Auto and Diesel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on a 2010 to 2019 Ford Taurus. Really simple job. First thing you need to do is come here to your drug drawer and get all of your weapons, alcohol, drugs. Man, this guy knows how to party. But get all your crap out of here. And then you're going to come over here and just pop that thing up like that and out, and then squeeze in on the sides of the glove box. Kind of hard to show you, but there, just squeeze in, and there's these little tabs here, and then it will probably fall off. You just get in here and pop these off. And then pop this little cover off, and pay attention to that. No debris shall be allowed to fall into the blower housing. Yeah, don't let crap fall into there. Then just grab a hold of the filter and carefully pull it out. Something I'm not really particularly good at. By the way, FP68, that's the part number you're going to need for one of these cars, at least on a 2013. And grab your new filter and pay attention to that. That needs to be pointing down. Just slide the new filter in. Grab our cover. Get that locked back on. Get this hooked back in here. And then you can just push up on it and it'll usually it'll collapse itself in there, but sometimes you got to help it a little bit. Then we'll reach back here, grab our little shock absorber doohickey, and get it snapped back into here. Put all of our sensitive documents and all of our fun stuff back in here. There we go. That's literally all there is to it. Even without editing, this video is currently sitting at 5 minutes and 57 seconds. That's how easy this is. If this video helped you, you can give it a better chance to help other people by hitting the like button. That tells the YouTube algorithm to show it to more people and puts it higher up in search results. If it was so helpful that you'd like to show your appreciation by buying me a drink, you can do that too by hitting the thanks button. If you'd like to see more repair content and, on occasion, destruction, be sure to subscribe and sign up for notifications. Thanks for watching and supporting my channel.